I'm really interested in the creative process that you see common whether you're talking about product design, transportation design or fashion. The search for novelty, the search for trends, the search for innovation which moves the creators, and especially people that have been making big steps like Tom Ford, Alexander McQueen, but if we go maybe more down to earth, fantastic creators like Cousteau. One could believe that cars are basically following trends. It's by definition impossible, because we start designing a car 3 years before it comes on the market. That means that we are really trying to create our own trends and not to follow what has happened, because it would be a fashion from the past. Fabrics that we use are actually not comparable with the ones in fashion. All the testing that has to be done, they have to be fireproof, they have to resist to temperatures above 90 degrees. This is all elements that make it difficult to associate colors and materials with the fashion work. There are some rules that we follow in order to make a car look wider, more sporty, more self-confident. For instance, we could talk about the eyebrows of the car, which give it a really strong, persuasive feeling. We could talk about lines that generate, divide the volumes to make it look more dynamic, uninterrupted lines that create the silhouette of a car, which are basically the ones that are generate the elegance. The muscles are well placed above the wheels, and dividing like there is to do the volumes by using light on positive surfaces to make stripes. Men will react to strong contrast and to volumes, and women will tend to prefer the perfection in detail. Those stitching as well, for instance, a traditional sporty and racing element used a lot in the 50s. The cars need a face with character. Some people say they're inspired by the human face. I tend to believe that the face is inspired by animal faces, like cats, like lions, because they have a strong characteristic face with eyes, with a mouth, and some lines that are basically generating the structure of the volumes of the face.